First inning, Candelario turns on one, and it is gone. Set out the last couple days, but that one, no doubter, solo home run in the first. And Spencer Steer continues to heat up, slashes a single following Candelario's home run. Martini leading off the second. A dribbler to Arenado, the Golden Glover. Nice error. Jonathan India follows with a single to left. Benson puts one through the hole on the left. Martini will score. The Reds up 2-1. Hurtubise puts one down the right field line. India will come around to score. Reds up 3-1 in the second. And the Reds hold on